Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Ampalaya con carne. Start with the Ampalaya. Slice about 2 medium-sized bitter melons thinly, then soak them in a bowl of water with 1 tablespoon of salt for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step significantly reduces their natural bitterness. While the Ampalaya soaks, prepare your beef, slicing about 1 pound into thin strips. Marinate it with soy sauce and a pinch of black pepper for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Now let's cook the beef. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your marinated beef strips. Sauté them for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they are nicely browned and cooked through. Remove the cooked beef from the pan and set it aside, reserving any drippings in the pan for the next step. Using the same pan, add 1 tablespoon more of oil if needed. Sauté 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 chopped onion, and 1 diced tomato until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Drain the soaked Ampalaya thoroughly and add it to the pan. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's tender crisp. Finally, return the cooked beef to the pan, mixing everything together. To finish, season your Ampalaya con carne. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a dash of black pepper. Stir everything well, ensuring all the ingredients are coated in the savory sauce. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Serve this delicious dish immediately with a generous portion of hot, steamed rice for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.